Hello, and welcome back to Learn to Read with Mrs. H. By the end of this week, you will know the letter and sound for F, and you will be able to read and spell words like fit, fan, fat, and fog. So let's get started. This is the letter F. It makes the F sound. And when you make that sound, F, you'll notice that your top teeth actually touch your bottom lip. So F makes the F sound. F is a consonant. It is important to know that F is a consonant because it helps build a syllable. We'll notice in the word fog, F is a consonant that can sandwich that vowel. And if we have a consonant, vowel, consonant, we know that the vowel is going to make its short sound. So in the word fog, O is going to make that ah sound. So we'll sound it out. F-A-G, fog. You will see some letters on the screen. I'm going to say the name of the letter, and I would like you to point to the letter I say. Please point to the letter S. Point to the F. Please point to the letter R. Please point to the letter I. Please point to the letter E. All right, now I'm going to try it, but I'm going to go a little bit faster. Please point to the letter I say. F, R, S, I, E. All right, nice job. You will see some letters on the screen. This time I'm going to say the sound that the letter makes, and I would like you to point to the letter that makes the sound. Please point to the letter that makes the J or G sound. Point to the letter that makes the sound F, I, Eh. All right, let's try it, but a little bit faster now. Which letter makes the sound? G or J? F, I, Eh. All right, let's do our next activity. What is the name of this letter? What sound does it say? Now it's time to take what you've learned from previous lessons and all your knowledge from this lesson and build some new words. As we're building words, you will see that each letter is in a blue box. As I say or you say the sounds that the letter makes, I want you to point to the orange dots underneath. This will help your brain make a connection between the letter and the sound that it makes. When we're reading a whole word, though, I want you to move your finger across those orange dots quickly because we are blending. And when we do that, we say each sound faster than we do when we are identifying each letter sound. So when we're saying the whole word, remember to move your finger under the word quickly. Now we're going to decode some words. This one starts with the letter F, so we're going to say the sound F. I, F, it, fit. Now it's your turn. Can you sound out this word? We are going to take the word fit and delete the I sound. Instead of I, we're going to add the A sound. Let's sound that out. A. At. Fat. Now it's your turn. Can you sound out this word? We're going to take the word fat and delete the t sound. So we're keeping a instead of the t sound, we're going to replace it with the n sound. Let's decode that word. A. N. Fan. Now it's your turn. Can you sound out this word? A. Fog. Now it's your turn. Can you sound out this word? Now I'd like you to read these words. I'm going to read them first. I'd like you to follow along closely so you get the hang of it. Fog, fit, fin, fat, fad. Now it's your turn. Can you read these words? I am in the fog. This fat cat has a hat. Tap the mat, Ben. Don't forget to practice your sound deck until you are fast and accurate. The link to the sound deck is right after this lesson. Our next activity is dictate sounds. You will need a pencil and a piece of paper numbered 1 through 10, or you can download my graphic organizer from my Google Docs that's in my YouTube description. Now it's time for our last activity. I'm going to say a sound, and I would like you to write the letter that says that sound. For number 1, please write the letter that makes the f sound. What letter makes the f sound? Number 2, please write the letter that makes the b sound. B. Number 3, please write the letter that makes the d sound. D. Four and 5 will be vowel sounds. For number 4, please write the vowel that makes the I sound. I. For number 5, please write the vowel that makes the A sound. For 6 through 10, we're going to write some words. I'll say the word and then give you a sentence, and you can write that word on the line. Number 6, fit. The silly cat tried to fit into the box. Fit. But the cat couldn't fit. He was too fat. For number 7, please write the word fat. Number 8, fan. Please turn on the fan. It is so hot. Fan. Number 9, fad. For a while, it was a fad to bottle flip. Fad. And our last word is fin. My pet fish had a hurt fin. Fin. And that is our final activity. I thank you for all of your hard work.